Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. During Isaac Newton's time, there was a lot of argument as to the property of light. Newton himself argued that light behaved as a particle, and Robert Hooke, Newton's contemporary, argued that it was wave-like. There was a lot of proving and disproving, and then Thomas Young came along and he hypothesized that light behaves like a wave, and if light behaves like a wave, the pattern of light when refocused onto a screen should appear like the ripples on a pond or ripples of water on a pond. To prove that, he designed a simple experiment. He went into a darkened room and he put a small slit on a window such that only a single beam of light can enter. And then this light he focused onto a mirror. And when this single beam of light was focused onto a mirror, he split that light again into two by passing it through a thin, stiff card. Something like this. And when he saw the pattern of the light, which was passed through the mirror and refocused onto a screen through a paper-thin cardboard, he saw that it showed patterns of dark and white alternates, just like ripples on a pond of ripples on water. Using this experiment, he proposed that light behaves like a wave. Thank you.